Brevo Sending Messages Honest Review. Watch before using. Welcome to my review of Brevo's messaging service. If you're considering using Brevo for your communication needs, stay tuned for a concise, expert take. For those interested, links to Brevo are provided in the description below. Brevo, formerly known as Sending Blue, offers a comprehensive platform tailored for businesses looking to streamline their email, SMS, and marketing automation efforts. Its standout features include an easy-to-use interface, advanced segmentation, customizable templates, and detailed analytics. The drag-and-drop email editor allows even non-tech-savvy users to create professional campaigns quickly. Additionally, Brevo's SMS marketing feature is robust, enabling seamless multi-channel communication to reach your audience in more ways than one. Who is Brevo ideal for? This platform is perfect for small to medium-sized businesses, startups, and digital marketers who need a powerful, budget-friendly alternative to larger email marketing tools. It is also great for e-commerce businesses due to its integration capabilities with platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. Another key highlight is Brevo's automation workflows that cater to lead nurturing and customer engagement, simplifying complex tasks like welcome sequences or post-purchase follow-ups. However, no platform is without drawbacks. Some users may find limitations on advanced features unless they upgrade to higher tier plans. Nonetheless, the combination of pricing, ease of use, and feature set makes Brevo a strong contender in the email and SMS marketing space. Overall, Brevo is a solid choice for those needing an effective communication tool with great value for money. The platform's strengths lie in its simplicity and all-in-one approach, allowing businesses to handle customer interactions without juggling multiple apps. If this sounds like a solution you could use, check out the links in the description to learn more or start your trial. If you found this review helpful, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more insights. It helps us grow and reach others who can benefit from honest, straightforward reviews like this one.